All right, let's jump into our next item. Before we do though, can I mention really quickly one thing? Because I was not planning on shopping today when I came into work. And then I saw this and I'm like, oh my gosh, I totally need this saucepan. This is coming up, it's under $160. We've got some colors that are similar to those of the today's special value. If you want the cerise, that is now last call already. This is K96130. I just wanted to give you a heads up because it's been popular already from our preview. And I think that one of the colors already sold out in this. Sea salt is already gone in that. All right, so, oh, and now in the baker from the preview also, one of the colors sold out in this already. So what we are offering is the Le Creuset baker set. So you get the baker in the oval shape and the tray, which of course is the lid, but also can be that, you know, tray for serving. We're offering this at a price of $119.98. You get it with free standard shipping and handling. Of course, that as well as the 5 Easy Pay go away at the end of the day. Price goes up at the end of the day as well. So real quick, the colors include right behind me here, the white, 300 remaining. Cerise, 150. Marseille, fewer than 100. Artichoke, 200. And then on the next to the microwave is the oyster. There's only a few dozen of those. Okay, this is K96130.
So I love this set again because it really is a 2 or 3-in-1 piece because you're getting the oval baker base. You're getting the lid, which seals in everything when you're cooking. You don't have to reach for foil, but this is also a beautiful oval serving platter that you can either serve something alongside of it, or cook in this and serve on this, or take your meat to the grill in the bottom and then grill it and put it on this clean as a lid on the top when you're walking back. So 2 pieces in one. This is made from our ceramic stoneware, coated in an enamel glaze, so it is thick. It's resistant to cracking, to crazing. It's very insulating. This is the perfect material for oven casseroles, oven cooking, and taking to your table, keeping hot foods hot and cold foods cold. What you don't want to do with this is put it on the stove top, similar to our cast iron or other materials, but this is such a good vessel for oven baking.
Both pieces are stoneware, not cast iron. So just wanted to be clear that that's what you're seeing and you're understanding how you're going to use this. But for baking, which we do, you know, on a regular basis, that's for sure, from the frittata to the, you know, larger pieces of meat that you might want to put in the oven, this is going to be perfect. A big roaster chicken or whatever.
Chickens, casseroles. We're doing some stuffed peppers right here. Again, we stuff them, we nestle them in sauce. We've got rice and veg filling in there, cheese on top. What I like to do when doing things like this is cover it for part of the time and then uncover to brown it on top. And this will go right on top to serve as that cover. You don't have to reach for foil or anything else. Again, oven safe, broiler safe, no problem with this. And I'll bring something out, not the same, but you can see in here, we're actually this time using the lid as a tray as well. So an oven-baked pasta, again, fits in this Oster countertop oven, so a generous size, but still easy to maneuver.
I don't have the measurements on this, but I'm going to guess it's probably 14.
Looks to me like about 14 as well. And you can see we've got the garlic bread that we browned right on top of this, can use this as the tray to serve it.
Melty.
And then melty cheese. And so we showed how easy our cast iron is to clean. Honestly, I think our stoneware might be easier to clean than our cast iron. Same type of enamel glaze to match your cast iron cookware, just a slightly different material. And look at how beautifully cheesy this is. It's staying hot. This will stay hot on your countertop. And look at how it's releasing from the back there. Nothing is sticking to this. You can soak this, you can scrub this, you can put it in the dishwasher. It's fridge safe, freezer safe, microwave safe. Again, just don't use it on the actual stovetop. Beautiful baked pasta, easy release from the side, generous capacity, and you're getting not only the baker to cook your pasta in, but also the tray for this delicious garlic bread. You can see how lovely and brown this is. And this was the lid that softened up that pasta before we took it out to brown it. You don't have to get two things dirty at the end of the day. The same stoneware material on this platter.
Oven safe, dishwasher, microwave safe. Up to what temperature in the oven?
500.
500.
Yeah.
And here, this like a perfect example, you get up, you're doing your little breakfast bake. So you bake your casserole, your frittata, and then you put your sticky buns on top of it and let them bake off. And now everything is warm and ready to go at the same time.
It matches all together.
Right.
And I love those breakfast casseroles because those are things that you can put together the night
Make ahead.
before and have ready to go. The one thing I will say with our stoneware is if you're taking a full dish right out of the fridge and it's full of cold food, either let it come to room temperature on the counter first or put it in a cold oven and preheat it in the oven.
Right.
You won't run into thermal shock issues with that. Other than that, this is pretty much indestructible, so easy to clean, amazing versatility for the oven and display with the platter lid.
The colors include the gray, that oyster color, that is now last call. We only have a dozen remaining. On top row here, you get your artichoke, 170. This is the Mercedes, 50 remaining. Next to that is cerise, and we have 100 of those. And finally, white, 100. And if you want to get more than one, I'm telling you, the white one especially, to match your tableware, definitely consider doing that while we have it with the sale price, the free shipping, and the 5 easy pays. All of those things go up at the end of the day. K96130 is your item number. All right, so can I tell you, already 200 orders placed, and you guys are probably as excited as I was to see this pan. This is the Le Creuset, we'll show you the graphic in just a second. It's the Le